Hello everyone, just a real quick update because I told people I would keep them posted on this particular trade. Again, this is one of the trades that I perform month in, month out. It's a butterfly style trade. This is what I trade for, basically for my income purposes. So this trade was put on as a butterfly with a long call. So you can see this is 30 butterflies in the SPX. And then there's one long call in there that's designed to kind of take a little bit of the edge off the trade if the market were to rip to the upside. Now, I put this on the 13th, so that's Wednesday, in this case just 2 days ago because it's now Friday the 15th. The market ran up big, and then the market pulled back big. So what happened here is on today, I always float an order out there to thin my trade when it gets to a certain level of profitability. I don't want to close the trade out necessarily, especially when I get one on that is in this size that I kind of like the way it's playing out. But I do like to thin it and lock in profits along the way. So I had an order out there to thin this trade, which actually hit today. After that hit, it just basically knocked my trade back a little bit in size. So now it's a 25 lot butterfly. I stripped out 5 butterflies. I leave my long call in place right where it was before. I'm currently up $1,365 in the trade, a little over 7%. After that order filled, I went and I now put an order out there to sell yet another 5 butterflies. And those 5 butterflies will come off at another higher level profit target. So if those 5 hit, as I hope they will in the next few days, my P&L will bump up a little higher. I will have locked in a little more of the profit. Of course, only the profit on those legs I've closed. I still have this risk on the table if there is a massive move. But the nice thing about butterflies, the reason that butterflies are my absolute favorite trade, and if you haven't watched the video yet, I'm going to put a link down below to a video that'll give you a little more explanation on butterflies. But in the butterflies, this T0 line, this green line here, stays pretty darn flat, which is what I really love about those. The market can, rip up a fair amount, it can drop down a fair amount, and it doesn't impact my P&L significantly. With butterflies, you're more playing time decay and volatility than you are the movement of the underlying price. And again, that's where I have found over 30 years of trading, that's where I have found my sweet spot, my level of success, where I can trade with the least amount of stress. I don't have to be here at my desk watching these trades. On a day like today, I think the S&P's down 40, 50 points. It doesn't mean a whole lot to me. It doesn't impact my P&L a great deal. With butterflies, sometimes it improved my P&L, which it did here, and allowed me to pop off a portion of this trade in a very short amount of time for, again, a decent profit, 7% in 2 days. So please like, subscribe if you would. Also, take a look to the link down below if you want to get a free sample of a more detailed butterfly trade as well. Thanks for watching the update.